4 times you should never ever drink coffee. 1. When your brew is way too hot. If you like to sip your coffee as soon as it's done brewing, you may want to cool it, literally. Consuming hot drinks above 149 degrees Fahrenheit may increase the risk of esophageal cancer, according to a new report from the World Health Organization. A cup of black coffee in a 10-ounce ceramic mug typically needs about 5 minutes to cool to a safe sipping temp of 149 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. If you're prone to anxiety. If you're feeling on edge, downing cup after cup of Joe could be partly to blame. To lessen caffeine's influence, consider scaling back to 1 or 2 8-ounce cups of coffee per day, or sipping on a half-decaf half-caffeinated blend, and cutting yourself off about 6 hours before bed. 3. When you're seriously starved for sleep. Coffee may seem like the natural solution for a night of subpar sleep, and it can be, but only to a point. New research finds that caffeine stops being effective at improving alertness whenever you get less than 5 hours of sleep for 3 consecutive nights. 4. When you drink a cup at the crack of dawn. Pounding a coffee at 6 a.m. isn't doing your energy levels any favors. That's because in the first couple hours after waking, your levels of the stress hormone cortisol are at their highest, which actually gives you a natural energy boost. So, many experts agree that the best time to have your first cup is sometime between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m., when cortisol levels start to dip. That way, you will be taking advantage of your body's natural high, and saving that hit of caffeine for when you really need it. If you do drink your first cup super early, chances are you may just need another one a couple hours later to keep the momentum going, and depending on your personal health history, more coffee may not be a good thing. For individuals who have difficulty controlling conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, the cons of excess coffee may outweigh the pros.